Hey y'all, thanks for stopping back by my channel. Today I have this super cute facial cleansing brush that I wanted to share with y'all that I ordered from Amazon. I've been changing up my facial products and I wanted to try a new facial brush as well. So I wanted to try the silicone style facial cleansing brush. It's USB chargeable. It has a 4-speed mode, sonic vibration, and an ice and warm mode on the back. I've been using it for a couple weeks now and I'm really enjoying it. I'm so glad that I switched over to the silicone brush. I like the way it feels more than I do the bristle spinning brush. So the metal part, you can choose it to be cool. I think it can be warm as well. I just haven't figured out. The front part, it has different vibrations. It also does a pulsating vibration, but the back has the button so you can turn on the warm or cool feature, and it also vibrates as well. It's completely waterproof, so you can wash it with no problem, and I like that it's USB chargeable so you can plug it up. The charge lasts a long time. You are supposed to be able to take off the metal ring on the back and put a cotton pad on it to use, but I couldn't get that part to work, so I just use it with the metal with some eye cream for under eye puffiness. Link will be in the description box if you guys want to order.